if you want to make flexible toys, here is a really easy way to do it, even if you don't have any 3D modeling experience. So if you head to Makerworld and then you go over to Makerlab and you click on that, you have all different things you can make on here. And if you go to Flexi Toy Maker, you can just make a new project from a picture. I generated an AI picture, so you can just upload a picture. If you click on new project, drag and drop or select an image and just upload an image and it'll show up here. I've already done one. I generated this horse from AI, and then you can just put hinges in. You can select thin, medium, thick, and then wherever you want them, you just basically drag it across like so. When it goes green, it means it's fine, and you can add more hinges if you like, and then it'll do that, and then you can preview it. It takes a while to preview. So that's what it'll look like. You've 3D printed it. So if you go back to the design, you can also change the colors on it. So how many colors you can add colors to it. I've only used 2 to make the printing easier. You can have up to about 15 colors on it, and you can change the thickness as well of the actual model too. You can have beveled edges, and then when you finish the model that you want to create, you just download it, and it'll download. You can either download it, it'll give you a printer profile so you can download it. I've done it on the A1, and you select the nozzle size and then you confirm and it'll just download. Once it's downloaded, you can then put it onto your slicer and print it out. So I've already done mine here. I put it on, you can, obviously I'm using any cubic, so you can increase the size or make it however big you want. Preview, this didn't take very long. I only done it in a single color because I just wanted to test the print out. It took 1 hour 11 minutes, and this is how it came out. So this is the finished product. This is how it came out. This is how it printed. It actually took about 1 hour and 33 minutes to print in the end, and yeah, it came out really well. So if you want to make flexi toys, design your own, really easy, quick to do. You can test out different models. The first one I did didn't turn out very well, but yeah, it's a really quick and easy way to design and make your own flexi toys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be posting.